To set up your personal security network, start by tapping the menu button. From there, click on Digital Bodyguard. This is where you build your personal safety team. Click Add Bodyguard. Your phone's contacts will appear and you can add them one at a time. Once they accept your request, they will appear on your list as your official bodyguards. They are now part of your trusted safety circle, ready to assist. As you begin a trip, whether it's late night walk or a drive home, you can use the app to let your bodyguards track your progress. Your selected contacts can see you and track your location in real time. Here is what your bodyguards can do to help. They have a direct button to call the police. They can see and direct you to the nearest police stations or emergency services. They can send you a direct message through the app to check on you. And most importantly, they can see exactly where your phone is, ensuring they can pinpoint your location and send help. In summary, the Digital Bodyguard feature lets you proactively share your location with trusted contacts who are then equipped with the tools to call police, find nearby emergency services, message you directly, and track your location, all from the palm of their hand.